Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down in order to find software update. So let's tap on it. And now let's tap on download and install. Your device will connect to the server and check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one when where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. Your device will show you the information about the update you've got currently applied, etc. And the second scenario is where you actually can download something, so you can update the system. Your device will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install, which will be available somewhere here. And that's all. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.